Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Conga 4090. In this tutorial, we will cover everything you need to know to keep your vacuum in optimal condition. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a can of compressed air. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. Begin by disconnecting the vacuum from the power source. Safety first. Once it's unplugged, you can start by removing the dust container. Press the release button and gently pull it out. This will allow you to clean the container thoroughly. Now, let's focus on cleaning the dust container. Use the soft cloth to wipe down the interior. If you notice any stubborn dirt, a damp cloth can help. Afterward, ensure it's completely dry before reassembling it. Next, we'll move to the filter. Remove the filter from the vacuum, and if it's washable, rinse it under warm water. Allow it to air dry completely. If it's a disposable filter, consider replacing it based on your usage frequency. While you're cleaning, take a moment to check the brush rolls. Use the flathead screwdriver to remove any tangled hair or debris. This is crucial for maintaining suction power. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's address the internal components of the vacuum. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This is especially important around the motor and sensors. A clean interior will enhance performance. Once everything is cleaned, reassemble the dust container and filter. Make sure everything clicks into place securely. At this point, double-check that no screws are left out. This can affect the vacuum's operation. If you find the task too daunting or lack the tools, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making maintenance easy and hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just convenience right at your doorstep. Finally, plug in your Conga 4090 and run a quick test to ensure everything is working correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or decreased performance, it might be time for a professional inspection. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. Keeping your Conga 4090 in top shape not only extends its lifespan but also enhances your cleaning experience. Thank you for following these steps, and enjoy a cleaner home with your well-maintained Conga 4090. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.